Hi guys, welcome back to my Vlogtober vlogs. This is Debbie. So we're going to do wash and go with Auntie Jake's Flaxseed elongating curling gel. I've always heard about this product and it has always been in my heart to try it. So now because I'm doing Vlogtober, I took a chance. I hope I'm not disappointed. So, yes, I've kept natural hair as you can see. And I've been rocking it. So right now I just want to enjoy it on its natural state. I want to define my curls. I want to elongate it as the product is stating. So, because I washed it yesterday, shampooed it, moisturized and deep conditioned, I'm just going to go in with my water spray just to moisten it up, and we're gonna start with the process. So I started off with freshly washed hair with the regular products that I use that I'm not going to talk about in this vlog because they are not the main products now. Auntie Jake's Flaxseed curling gel is the star of today's show, so I'm not going to mention those other products. It claims to elongate and define curls without that heavy crunchy feeling. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. So to begin with, I'm going to part my hair into two sections. I managed to work thoroughly with it when I did that. I like working in sections than handling the entire head at once because my hair tends to climp up. The flaxseed really helps with curl definition and moisture. So normally my hair, when it's not moist, it breaks. I'm not seeing any breakage, meaning it's giving that moisture. Here's a quick tip though. Always smooth the gel through with your fingers or a brush to help the gel clamp well and reduce the freeze. It's not there, continue. This is how it looks. So for drying, I'm going to let it dry naturally. I am going to be using the diffuser or hair dryer. Because it's late, I'm just going to sleep with it and let it dry overnight. If it's not done by the morning, it will dry during the day. But on the bottle here it says normally dries within 5 minutes, but because it's cold here, probably it's going to take more than that. So this is the gel. Look at it slip. It's going to really smooth. I can already see my curls starting to pop and I'm so excited. This is the final product I've done applying. The flaxseed gel. So I'm recording this at night. Lighting is not good. Let's check it back in the morning and see how everything just came out. And I hope this white things will be gone by tomorrow. I hope it will be gone because wow. But anyway, I see a lot of curl definition. there's a shine already there. He is satisfied, and my hair is bouncy. I feel like I'm gonna rock this down for this week and the coming week. See you tomorrow. Ciao. Yeah. So yeah, it's in the morning and this is the final look. I don't know how to define this. Money. They said it's elongating, but my hair is still shrunk. Like I don't. Let me wait for it to dry up thoroughly because it's not yet thoroughly dry. It has thoroughly dried and it feels cringy. This is how it looks on the sun. I'm not seeing the flakes, but it's short. It's not elongated. The shine is there, the bounce is gone. But anyway, thank you for watching until the end. See you tomorrow as we're doing spend a day with me at work for our day 4 vlog. Bye.